Hello! Hello, hello. Hello, people of the internet. We're going to be working on the Blacksmith side project again today. So, is currently what the project looks like. We're just working on like a basic prototype because I want to get something done so then I can give it to people and then be like, hey, what are your thoughts on this? So then I can actually iterate on it. My goal with this project is to iterate as fast as possible. I want to... But yeah, if you press space, then you can do the little mini game, and then you can take it back out. But yeah, I want to iterate as fast as possible with this project, so I want to go through really, really quick iteration cycles. I'm thinking, like, every week or two, I want to have something out for the people that are playtesting the game to actually test, play, do something with. So then I can just get a large pool of data of how the game feels. And then once I have all of that, then I can decide what direction I specifically want to go down and if this project even works fundamentally at all. Which is what I should have done with my other project, Soulshot. That's what I need to do going forward in general. Valve, actually. Valve is crazy. The way that Valve runs their company is insane. So the way that Valve does it, they have, first of all, they have 1 week iteration cycles. That is insane. Okay? Within 1 week, playtesters are touching the game and figuring things out and seeing if it works or not. And then every week after that, it's another playtest, another playtest, another playtest. So their games improve with player feedback incredibly quickly. Another thing that Valve does, which is kind of unrelated, they have a cabal system, which is a very funny thing to say. But each group, they split their teams up into groups, is responsible for like one area or one level or one piece. And then that group is solely responsible for it. So if anything goes wrong, it is their fault. If it goes really well, it is their fault. And what this does is it breeds kind of not exactly competition, but it breeds like a really strong sense of ownership over their work. Which is really cool, because that's not something that happens a lot of big companies, but Valve just, the way that they structure their company is really interesting to me. It doesn't really apply to me, because I'm a solo developer. The 1 week thing, this is fantastic. I love this. I should start doing this. This is insane, though. This is actually crazy. I don't know if I can do it weekly, but we'll try, like, bi-weekly, the monthly, maybe. This is not possible, as I am one person. I cannot create a cabal with multiple cabals with one person. That would be funny, but no. But yeah, I love the way that Valve structures their company. I think that it's absolutely insane. And then there's also that one cabal, which is the single person working on TF2. The intern just tapping away at it. The heavy update will come out, guys. Soon. Soon, surely, right? They have to. They have to. No, it won't. But that's okay. We'll live. We'll survive until that point. Okay. So the main things I want to work on today, I want to get the progress bar actually functional, because it exists on screen. It just does nothing. So, I want to do that. I want to make the quality bar actually work, and I want to make the quenching actually work. Which, all of that has a lot of interconnected systems. In order to get the progress bar working, I need to, one, implement I need to actually connect the anvil to the progress, and depending on where it hits, I need to actually increment how the progress is going. Which I feel like I should just make a game manager, like, script. I think I will. I'm just gonna make a game manager object. I'm gonna call it, the manager. And then I'm gonna create the manager script. This is the manager. Okay. And this is basically going to be our surrogate for the gameplay manager actually in the world, though. Because I want to be able to edit variables in Inspector. So that's what the manager is going to do, basically. Although I think I have things in the player script that are kind of doing that, which I should probably move over to the manager. The manager. Yeah, this. Wait, no. I swear I did. There was one script that in the start I was doing something with the game manager that I... Maybe I wasn't. Maybe this never happened. No, it was this. I'm doing this in the game manager. Okay. Okay, so this is before scene load. Where is the manager? Give me the manager. There we go. I do need this to be a mono behavior. What do I need to put in the manager? I want... do I want... Because... On one hand, what I can do... I can have the anvil manage... Because currently, so if we play the anvil minigame, whenever you hit a certain spot, it'll say which one you hit. So you hit the best spot, wait, let me stop being a gamer for a moment. Hit good spot, hit okay spot, missed. I could just make it to where it increments the progress in the anvil script, and then yeah, I should probably just do that, actually. I think I'm just gonna do that instead, but I need to make a... Yet another getter and setter. Getter and setter's my beloved. I feel like every project that I make gets filled up with 1,000 getter or setters. It's just... It's the way of the world, I suppose. There's no way around it. I mean, there probably is a way around it, but... change... progress. I have the progress, okay, and then... It's a float or an int? It's a float. Float. Progress change. And then progress plus equals progress change. Perfect. Now in the anvil, we need to... Let's create another header. Just for organization's sake, and this is going to be... the hit area. And then we want a couple floats. Or, I mean, 3 of them. We need one for the best hit spot. Better hit spot and good hit spot, or what did I call these? What the hell? What did I name these? Best, good, okay. Best hit spot progress. Public float. Good hit spot progress. And this is just going to be how much the progress bar is going to move whenever we actually hit that. Good hit spot, or okay hit spot, progress. And then miss. Public float. Miss. Lost. Or miss progress. And that's going to be a negative number. And then we just need to... I shouldn't. No, I'm not going to. What I was thinking about doing is, technically speaking, I could make this an array. If I made this an array, then I could, instead of doing a switch statement, I could do the spot type. I could just do it based on the position in the array. Ooh, that would be really efficient. I don't care about efficiency. Why do I care? I don't care about efficiency. Efficiency is for nerds. I'm making a prototype. Premature optimization is the root of all evil. Ugh. Every time, though. This little voice in the back of my head. It's like, what if it was better? What if we made it more efficient? Like, no. No! Not doing it. There's no reason. It's like, but you could. We have the option to. Why the hell is this static? Why is this static? Why, what? Why was only that one static? Why did IntelliSense? Because I extracted it with Visual Studio IntelliSense. Why did it do that? You know what? I trust Visual Studio. Maybe that's my mistake, but that's okay. Alright, gameplay manager, that instance, that change progress, best. No. Good. Did I not call that best hit spot? What did I name this? I did. Best hit spot progress. What? Best hit spot progress. Huh? Oh. Alright. It was a problem in the end. Damn you, Visual Studio! It didn't actually matter, but... I was wondering why it was static. It's because we're not actually passing any variables or changing any variables, so it can just stay in the same place in memory the entire time, because you're just printing it no matter what. So it's never changing. It's just weird. Alright, miss progress. And then whenever we change this, I need yet another action. Make an action event. Public action. Type float. Or it needs to take in type float. On progress change. Then we are going to on progress change. Perfect. I need the manager. Come on, the manager. Get over here, man. Alright. I do need that start function back. And we need a reference to the slider. Which, oh, that's going to be the completion slider. And then I also need a reference to the quality slider. Gonna make a little header here. I call this assignments. And then I also need to create a function which is going to be private void on progress. Yes, that is how you spell progress. Change. And we're going to set the completion slider dot value to be a type float. Progress equals progress. Perfect. I'm pretty sure that progress can only be from 1 to 100. I need to check that real quick, actually. Progress bar. Yes, 0 to 100, sorry. Not 1 to 100. Okay, so let's go in here. Literally, I just need to do the exact same thing. We're going to do, yeah, if progress, then progress equals 0, and then else if. Thank you, IntelliSense. That is exactly what I wanted. We're only really going to invoke it here, like that. Because there's no reason to invoke it if we're not actually changing it. Okay. So, this is basically going to clamp the value from 0 to 100. We're going to make sure that it is in between those. Okay, and then in the manager, we're going to set that value to progress. Perfect. I need to actually subscribe to that event. So we're going to do gameplay manager dot instance dot on. Can't I just do on progress change? I do need to do dot instance. Perfect. No, plus equals. Plus equals. Then basically have to do the same thing for the quality. I'll implement that in a second. Let's get progress working first. Okay. We're going to do if progress greater than or equal to, or will it just be E equals 100? Then we're going to print winner. Else nothing. We're not going to print anything. Can I just click on this damn line, man? Thank you. Okay. I'm losing my mind. Okay, so now the completion should actually change. As long as we edit the anvil. Yes, okay. It's gonna be 3, 2, 1. So let's make this like 10, 5, and 3. I don't like that number. Let's make it like 2.5. I set this to a float, correct? Okay, yeah, correct. It's not whole numbers. What was that be weird?
Screw underscore it underscore let's underscore do underscore it redeem to say question. Why the frick is me father asking me if I want a iPhone 14? Why does he have one of those? What did he do?
Huh? Also, welcome. Okay, real quick. Let's do it. I need to address something, okay? I need to address something. Wait, this wasn't you. Wait, this was Nerd. This is deeply cursed. When the second he gets in here, I need to question him on some things. Okay? Ooh. But why are you arguing about... You can barely hear me? Wait, really? Why? Weird. Okay, wait, let me turn myself up. How about that? How about that one? I don't know how my audio gets messed up, I think, every single stream. Why are you complaining about an iPhone 14, though? Do you got something against iPhones? Because if you do, understandable, okay? iPhones, very expensive. Not good deal for the price, especially the newer ones. But hey man, take what you can get. Okay. Should be there. Okay. Now I changed the anvil numbers. I did. We're gonna do like -5 on that. Currently, okay, that's not working because I didn't set it. That makes sense. Why are you complaining about the iPhone? What's so weird about that? Do you have a perfectly working phone? I need more details. I can't answer your question, okay? Okay, where is the manager? There we go, the manager. Okay, progress bar. You and you. He just randomly has an iPhone. He just has an iPhone. Interesting, okay. Why is this not happening? Okay. He got tricked into buying one? How does that happen? How do you get tricked into buying an iPhone? Okay, so equals progress. What? Why does this not work? Okay, print. Changed progress bar. Value. He's in his 50s and older people are easily tricked into doing that stuff. That's fair. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I don't know how you... I guess, I can see it happening. He, like, walked in to change his phone plan, and they were just like, do you want this bundle, sir? And he was just like, maybe, or something. And they were just like, well, we're gonna scam this old man. That shit's messed up, though. My parents are also getting older, but they're pretty tech-informed, and my dad will literally haggle anyone. I swear, he probably haggles the grocery stores. Yeah, that's scary, man. A lot of the time, they don't check, they just presume. I feel like our generation is very skeptical. He knows how to use a 3D printer? Okay, if he's tech-informed, how does... He mostly knows tech? Maybe, I don't know, man. Maybe he's too trusting of humanity. Okay, if it is less than 0, then invoke it. Oh, wait, what? I don't want to... Oh, no. Yeah, wait, I was just doing this wrong. Okay, there we go. But yeah, people... Our generation is so used to getting spams, like spam emails, calls, things like that constantly. Hello, Isopro. How are you doing? But yeah, I feel like our generation is so used to all that crap that we just don't even care anymore. We become desensitized to it, and we can pick up on it, like, instantly. Like I was doing a little bit of psychology research for like monetization, and our generation is so insanely good at picking up if something is like monetized or if it's like an ad. It's it's absolutely bonkers. Like especially on things like TikTok. Like one of the funny things that a lot of people, what is it, why is it not going down? Okay, it's just taking a very long time. One of the things that I think is kind of interesting about TikTok marketing, because I run a game studio, I need to know how to do that, and I did a bunch of research on it. You have to, the biggest tip that everyone says is make it seem like you have to use the tools that a child uploading to TikTok uses. Because if you use something, like if it's too sophisticated, people will actually get turned off by it. Because most of TikTok's audience is really young. So you need a low production quality, which is insane. Like that, and it works. Like they have the data to back it up. Having lower quality videos on TikTok does better. Putting too much production value into a TikTok video will actually hurt its performance. That's insane to me. That's bonkers. But it is what it is, man. They have the data. They know what they're talking about. Yeah, not too low. Just low enough that anyone could make it, but not so low that anyone could make it. You know what I'm saying? No, you don't, because it doesn't make any damn sense. That and Twitter, okay? TikTok and Twitter are my two least favorite content platforms. Because Twitter is a cesspool for horrible ideas, people screaming at each other. That's it. It's people screaming at each other about their opinions that they probably have not actually thought through. And it drives me insane. Truly bonkers. I don't like TikTok because I don't use TikTok. I'm too old for TikTok. I say that, but I'm 20. I never got into TikTok, and all short form content makes my brain rot. So I stay away from it. I don't like the platforms. But they're the best for marketing. For some reason. Well, I mean, I feel like a lot of people use TikTok. Dude, my mom uses TikTok. My mom will text me TikToks, which is very funny to me. Like I'll receive text. I'm like, oh hey, what's up? It's just a link to a TikTok. You see, the funny thing is, we still live in the same house. She can walk over and show me the TikTok, but instead she chooses to SMS text me the TikTok for some god awful reason. Love it. I think it's very funny. The Facebook memes, oh man. Facebook, I feel. Welcome, Alex. I feel like Facebook gets a bad rap. Okay? Facebook memes are bad. I'll be honest. Especially during, like, I feel like a few years ago they were the worst. Because that's when every Facebook mom was high on Despicable Me. And you would exclusively just see minions everywhere. And it drives me insane. Okay, Facebook, the company, deserves the bad rap. That's fair. I don't feel like I feel like the Facebook memes are not as bad as everyone says they are, okay? Hot take. Hot take. There's some funny things on Facebook if you look at the right place. Because I feel like feel like our generation is getting old enough to actually care about Facebook, which is gross. I don't like any social media platform. I think YouTube and Twitch are pretty cool, but those are like content platforms. Those don't feel as much like social media. But like social media specifically, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok is a content platform, but it's so, I don't know, it kind of feels like a social, it's just weird. I don't like any of it. I think it's, I don't know, I never got into it. I don't know what it is. It just turns me off. The only social media that I actively use, it's called Metal, huh? Wait, what? Oh, Meta. Sorry, Meta. Not Facebook, the company. Meta, the company. I can't believe they did that, man. I remember when the whole, like, Facebook Meta thing went down, and they announced the metaverse, and then they couldn't do legs or something for some reason. It was so bad. It was genuinely trash. I can't believe that they thought that that would work, and then it actually did work. The metaverse was a horrible plan. That everything about that was bad. Oculus, that the company that they bought, and then made their main branding and changed it to Meta for some damn reason. That banger, okay? Meta has hate Meta. Oculus, okay? Oculus like really pioneered VR. Like really pioneered it because we had the Vive. We had the Vive, which was the original, and then the original Oculus came out, which was bad. The Vive was better, but the Oculus was just trash. And then the Vive, or not the Vive, what's the one that Valve made? The Valve Index. The Index came out. That's actually good. That's really good. And then they made the Quest. The Quest is fantastic. The Quest put everyone else out of business pretty much. Besides like high-end headsets, there's really no reason to buy a different headset besides the Quest, unless you want like a really high-end PC VR headset. VR is the one thing that Mark Zuckerberg is right. It's because it's finally completely virtual. Facebook, you're like kind of dealing with real people, but like, oof, no, alright? The VR is entirely virtual, so his lizard brain understands it more. I think it's very funny that people actually believe that Mark Zuckerberg is a lizard. I understand the allegations, okay? Mark Zuckerberg, he does not look like a real human being. He... This... He does not look real. He looks like a synthetic human. In, like, most of his talks, which I have no idea why that is. Because I feel like if we just find, like, a random photo of him, like, he's just a dude. Like, look, this is just him vibing, okay? He's just a dude. Why does he look... I feel like every single photo of him that's spread around is the least flattering photo possible. Like, this is not a good photo of him. This is a banger. This is a good photo. Look at him. What the hell is this? He's like mid-sentence. He looks like he was crying behind stage for like 30 minutes before going there. He has no good angle. This is a good photo. Come on, this is a good photo. That's fine. This is a fine photo. This is not a good one. This ain't it. I'm sorry, okay? This is truly not it. I swear, okay? If there are any... Here's my conspiracy theory, alright? I think that every news article and social media platform has tried to spread the worst photos of Mark Zuckerberg, okay? There's some people that the photos are just so bad. Like the ones that everyone uses, they're just trash. It's so funny. And then there are like I feel like actors and Elon Musk. No one takes bad photos of them except that one Elon Musk. When he was on the Joe Rogan show, everyone uses that photo. It's so bad. It's very funny to me. Okay. So the progress bar is technically functional. Now, we need to actually implement the temperature system in a way that affects anything, because currently it just kind of exists. Like, there is temperature. It exists. It doesn't really do too much, though. It kind of just is there. And then if you move around and you wait long enough, then the temperature will go down. So, I don't, am I doing the metal every frame? I am. Okay, it's every physics frame I am. Okay. I want, in my design doc that I have for this project, I have, okay, wait. Yeah, failure to correctly, it'll lose progress. We just implemented that. We did all that. It's in the temperature. The metal loses its temp when not in the forge and loses a little temp on each hit in the anvil. Let's do each hit in the anvil. I also want it displaying on the anvil. Like, I want the metal to be on the anvil. How can we do that? Because we have the metal bar. I could just parent it to the anvil and set it to the anvil's position. That would be a little jank, but... Actually, that'd be fine. I need to set private vector 3, starting, or player, or local position to player. And then private, I think it would just be vector 3.0, right? If I did set that to, let me try this in the scene view. If I make the metal bar a child of the anvil, and then I set it to 0, 0, that looks fine. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to set the local position to player equal to the transform dot local position at the start. So then we have that. And then whenever we're in... If it does not equal... No, do not set this to blank. If... This needs to be an else if the metal... Or if... Holder? Yeah, new holder. Huh? Want to check our Discord DMs? What is this? This is not me. Alright? This is not me. I hate to break it to you. League of Legends. Oof. That's a bummer, man. That is a bummer. Wait, why is... Oh no, wait. What just happened? My chat just got... bugged. Wait a minute. My chat died. I saw you say something. Someone said something. I don't know who said it or why. My chat died. I don't know what happened. Found it while searching my name. Well... What can I say? It's just such a banger name. Someone else had to have it. Okay, so if new holder equals holder.anvil, then I need to set transform that position equal to vector 3.0. Or wait, transform that local position. I also need to get the parent. You know, here's how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna have the player object. It's actually gonna be a transform. Transform, and then we're going to get another private transform. It's gonna be the anvil object. Or anvil transform, sorry. My chat is working, right? Okay, wait. I need to go to Twitch chat real quick. Where is... I need to actually check that this is functioning. Wait. No, I need to mute myself right now before the echo. Test. It works. Okay, we're good. My chat overlay on OBS is back. It just died for a second. I don't know why. Alex just sent me a DM of every single person named Shady Owl. Good for them, okay? It's mine. They can't have it. We'll beat all of them, okay? Every one of them. We'll get the SEO. Why is this formatting? Why is it breaking? Okay. So, in order to get the player transform, that's going to be what we're originally parented to. So we just need to get transform, that parent, that transform. And then, in order to get the anvil transform, we need to find that game object. So we need to do game object dot find object by type, not with the transform, but with the anvil script. Anvil. We want to get the transform of that. So now here we want to set our parent. So we want to set the transform.parent equal to the anvil transform. And then if we set it to 0, the local position is 0, then it will just snap to the anvil. I know it's wrong. I need to change it. I don't have another... I need to make the thumbnail, though. So it's going to be wrong for this stream, and then it'll be fixed next stream, okay? It is wrong, though. I know that. It's been wrong for a little bit, actually. Okay. So that's if it's anvil, and then else if I can just have an else here then. Else if new holder equals holder.player, then we need to set it to the player transform. We need to set our parent back to the player transform. And we need to set our position to the local position of the player. And that should work. It does. Nice. Okay, awesome. So now if we What? There we go. Now if we heat this up, and we put it on here, then we can visually see the temperature going down. Is the temperature never going down while it's on this? The temperature is going down. It's just not checking it. Okay, I also need an OR here. OR current holder equals holder dot, or equals, my mistake. Holder dot anvil, and then we'll be good. I said what? What did I say? I remember that I said that I'll change it. I will change it, okay. It will happen. Okay, so now it's max heat. Now it should start going down. Okay, it is going down. Good. Alright, awesome. I wonder, is there a way... Instead of changing the sprite, I feel like there has to be a way that I can just change the color dynamically, because that would be better. I could lerp the color. I kind of want to experiment with that, but it works right now, so we're not going to touch it, but we might in a second. Okay. So we're changing the temp. It's displaying on the anvil. Fantastic. Now I just need to actually check the temp for damage. And like see if it's workable. So first things first. If the metal is too hot, yeah, so if current temp will nitpick every single time the thumbnail's wrong from now on. Thank you, actually. If I end up forgetting, remind me. And if it's ever wrong, just tell me, okay? If there's something that you notice that's wrong, tell me. Okay. Current temp is greater than 80. I'm already doing this. Check temp. That's what I'm gonna rename this. If I can properly rename this. Check temp. And if it's above 80, then we need to lower the quality. Which means we need to have an ability to lower the quality.
Raf_Santos just followed.
Raf Santos, thank you very much for the follow. Okay, so where is the game manager? Okay, so first of all, I need to basically do the exact same thing that I did here with the progress bar, but instead of progress change, it's going to be on quality change. Quality change, and then we need the quality to start at 100. It's going to be quality. Did I misspell quality? Did here, okay. Quality is one of those words that I can never spell correctly, and I just don't know why. Because it really isn't hard. Like, truly not difficult. Okay, if it equals... Actually, I don't need to even print that. Okay. Okay. So we need to, first of all, go into our game manager, create another function to change the quality. It's going to be quality change. Change quality. And the quality is going to be affected whenever we mess up. So whenever we mess up, we're going to lose some quality. which is we hit it the wrong time on the anvil, we hit it when it's too cold, or we keep it at too hot of a temperature in the forge, because then it'll just start melting. Okay. What the hell is that? Sure. Nice. Thank you, IntelliSense. On quality change, we need to create that action. So it's going to be another public action on quality change. Thank you. If you miss it, then why don't you keep doing it? What's stopping you? I love Unity. I enjoy making things with it. But I do want to branch out and try other things. Like, I want to try Godot. I want to try Unreal. I've worked with GameMaker a little bit way back in the day, and then I worked with it a little bit again recently just to familiarize myself with it again, but you got a lot of options. Are you still making games, or not at all? Okay, so now we have the ability to change the quality. We have on quality change, which I need to go to the manager and game manager, or gameplay manager, that instance. That on quality change, perfect. Okay. Change quality bar value. You hate Unity? Why do you hate Unity? There are plenty of reasons to dislike Unity. I'm curious what yours is, though. Okay, so on quality change, we are going to change the value of not the completion slider, but the quality slider. Okay, that is all good. And then in the middle, if any time you use it in digital media, it kept bugging out and deleting your work. Weird, okay. That's not good. I've never had that happen, but Unity can definitely be pretty buggy sometimes. Especially the older versions. The older versions were a hell. An absolute hellscape to work with. Oh man. There's so many things that are just horribly wrong. But they spent some time actually making the engine work again, so it's better now. I don't know the last time you used it, and honestly, I wouldn't blame you for never using it again. That sounds like a horrible experience. Okay. So if it's too hot, then I want to change the quality, which is going to be game manager, gameplay manager, that instance, that change quality. And we're going to do, we need a public variable, not temp change, but it's going to be public float melting quality change. We're going to do melting quality change times, this is in fixed update, fixed, or time.fixed delta time. Okay, if not Unity, are you currently using any other game engine? If I remember correctly, you don't generally do game dev, right? I could be wrong on that. Okay. Okay, that's right. And then I also want to, if the temperature is too low. Okay, so let's get area, hit cursor, assignment, make another header. Header's my beloved. I'm gonna get rid of the space. There's no point. Public load. Cold temp. Okay, wait. Min temp. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do min temp, and then we're going to have a public float optimal temp. And then I think that the max temperature is always 100, right? Let me check. Yes. Hmm. You started as a junior programmer, but later you decided to switch to a 3D artist. You're really different areas, but you love both. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, those are very, very, very diverging skill sets. But I bet that it probably doesn't hurt to know the programming side, like the technical side, as well as the art side. That's something that I'm trying to learn a lot. Like, I want this project to be... I want to do everything in 3D and then basically transpose it to pixel art. Dead Cells does this. Can't think of another example, actually. But it's a really interesting art style, and I want to experiment with it, and I feel like knowing all of those different things is maybe not useful in a general context, although it doesn't hurt. But especially in like a game development context, it's super useful. Like, what do you do 3D art for? Are you doing it commercially or just for fun? Because you said you were a junior programmer, which that is like a job title. To my knowledge, at least. Okay. Hmm, 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 hmm. How do I want to do? Because I want, if it's too cold, I'm gonna have a cold temp. Cold temp. And if it's below the cold temp, I'm gonna go cool temp. It's not really cold, just a little bit cooler. So if it's below the cool temp, then it's only going to be like half as effective. So we're going to do if gameplay manager dot instance dot get metal temp is less than cool temp, then we're going to have a multiplier here. So we're going to do float multiplier temperature temp multiplier. We're going to set that equal to 1 initially. And then if it is too cold, then we're going to set that to 0.5. So it's half as effective. And we're going to multiply all of these by the temp multiplier. Except the miss progress. We're actually going to divide that by the temp multiplier. So it is worse if you miss. No, it doesn't make any sense. No, let's only have it affect that right now. Okay. So I need to actually set these temperatures, and then I also need to make it to where if it is probably set current temp. Let's do float. Current temp equals get current temp. And then we're going to just check everything against current temp. So we're going to do if current temp is greater than. Welcome, Darth. How are you doing? Oh yeah, wait, I have something to show you. Our game got rated. It is horribly unfinished. I need to send this into the Discord. Wait. It did. It got rated by an anonymous judge. I don't know who. They said this game is really, really unfinished. Good try, though. Which, that is fair. It is very unfinished. I saw that you've still been doing a ton of work on it. I need to send this way. You sent a mini version. Oh, do we need to try this? Wait, I need to try this right now. I'm playing this on stream. You can't stop me. Yes, download anyway. Okay, we're gonna wait for that to download real quick. You watched my last VOD while coding for your jam. You didn't notice I went live? Wait, you're uploading a new version? Okay, wait, I'll wait. I'll wait. Send them to the Discord, and then I'll play it the second you upload it. Lot of water! Welcome back, Isopro. Okay, if current temp is larger than min temp, then we can do everything else. If it's not, then we literally don't want to do anything. Although, no, wait. Wait. If it is too cold, get hit spot. When am I doing this? Okay, I'm doing this here. So it's only if we actually pressed it. So if it's too cold, then we want to do some damage. So we want to do game player manager dot instance dot change, not progress, but metal quality. And we're going to make another thing. So this is going to be temperature. We need another public float, which is going to be cool or cold hit quality change, which is if the quality is too low, or if the temperature is too low, then we're going to do damage to the quality. We're going to lower the quality. So it's going to be cool. Cold? What did I call this? Yeah. Sorry, one moment. Goodness. Had a little bit of crud in my lungs. Okay. We need to set all these values. So let's go to the... Where was this? Is it the metal bar? I saved this. No, it's the anvil. Okay. Okay, it's ready. Okay, I'm downloading it. Alright, give it a second. Let's set all these values. The min temp is... What is... 25, I think? Yeah. 25. When is it red? Below 40. Let's do 40. We'll do like 35, actually. And then cold hit temp. Or, yeah, let's do like -5. And then I think, yeah, melting a quality change. Let's do -10. So that way, if it's too hot, it should be going down right now. Okay, that is just not right. Everything was just wrong there. This is between the... Okay. Huh. Huh, okay. How did that happen? Okay. I need to do this always. I always need to be checking the temp for this. This is gonna be if current temp. That doesn't exist. Okay. Wait, no, it does exist. Okay, that's fine. Oh, no, it's not fine. Okay, I'm gonna put this back, and then I'm just gonna check it again, which is suboptimal, but, like, it's fine. It's okay. If this is greater than 80, then we're going to change the quality. Okay, that should be downloaded. Whoop. I'm going to extract this. And we're pausing the music real quick. Okay. Why is it on? Damn it, man. Unity hates me. Wait. I had to add this. Add executable. Okay. Okay, you guys should be able to hear it. And then I need to change this. Hi, this is my stream overlay. Where are you? Display capture. Properties. There we go. Alright. Okay. What do these do? Start game. Okay, start game. Choose commandment. Let's go with blue. And we're going to... Oh, okay.
Screw underscore it underscore let's underscore do underscore it
What does
redeemed
infiltrate
suggest
do?
a song. Super Mario World Show
Whoa.
intro.
Okay, I couldn't do those. I see. Okay, so praise being performed. Player God attraction is now 2. A praise being performed. Sophia's player God attraction is now 2. Calculated faith attraction to all citizens. Get resource is being performed. The currency is now 10. The resources are 2. Get resources being performed on Tea Garden Society faction. Calculated faith attraction to all citizens. So I can't do any miracles yet. If I keep praying, will I get enough devotion points to do a miracle? I can do a... Okay, I can cast a miracle here. Ooh, I'm gonna cast one on this. Okay. So... When can I preach and infiltrate? Okay, wait, I get to choose another commandment? I'm gonna choose the other one? So I'm getting devotion points. Okay, Oh my goodness. One thing that I feel like would help the usability of this is if you made this auto-scroll. You guys can't read it. Oops. Wait. It's fine. I'll read it for you. A get resources being performed. Currency is now 10. Yeah, it's now 10. Resources are now 6. What does resources do? What do they do for me? I can get these resources. I think praying just gives me devotion points. I like the sound effects. I don't know what these do. Calculate city phase. Whoop. Praise being performed. Okay, so I see that these are affecting the attraction of the groups. I don't think that... Who was it that really liked the blue miracles? It was these guys. They love these the blue miracles. So I'm just gonna spam blue miracles over here. Let's get a red commandment now. I think I have the ability to just never stop. I win! Nice. Okay, let me switch everything back. Super Mario World show intro. Okay. Wait. Super Mario World show intro. Oh, wait, this? There's no way I get bonked for this, right? Okay, it'll be fine. Dude, I watched this. I watched this when I was a kid. That... I kind of cannot believe that that show ever existed. So there are two Super Mario shows. There's a Super Mario Super Show, which is the one that everyone knows. And then there's Super Mario World, which was kind of similar, but they were in the prehistoric age for some reason. And it was just so weird. I can't believe it existed. Your first RPG experience was from a Choose Your Own Adventure book about Dr. Mario? You never told me this. This is new information to me. What? Choose Your Own Adventure, Dr. Mario. Dr. Mario, Choose Your Own Adventure book. These existed? What? What? What is this? Peach is ballin', man. She's ballin'. What the hell? This... What? Yoshi's the criminal in one of them, but Peach is ballin'. These seem like bangers, okay? Wait, where's the Dr. Mario one? Is this a new one? What? There's so many weird Mario things. They had riddles and puzzles too? Interesting. Okay. We'd have an art page each 10 pages. What the heck? Has anyone seen the Mario sex education video? Oh man. Okay, that is a banger. If you have not seen that, look up Mario sex education video. This isn't a meme. This exists. This is real. This is real. Mario sex education video. This is a real video. This is deeply hilarious. I can't believe it exists. There's so much weird everything surrounding the Mario franchise just gets real weird. But like in the early days, it was just they just did anything, man. They just did not care. Okay. That's just not right. I don't know why it just deleted the bar. Am I setting it? Wait, this might be a problem here. No, it's plus equal. Why is this happening? Oh, I see. I was setting the quality to 0 at the start of the game. Oopsies. Well, there is nothing you can do if you make it too hot. It is just, you are getting drained. Whenever you miss hit. Okay, I need to make that drain way lower. That was a little bit silly. Where is that in the middle bar? Yeah, let's set that to like -2. Because you're stuck with your bar draining for way longer than it ever should be. So it's just constantly going down. Oh man. I think it needs to retain temperature for longer. Because yeah, you can only get like a couple hits in, and then you have to like immediately go back. And then heat it up. But not too hot. Otherwise your quality just starts getting destroyed. You gotta go back. Although I think that's actually good. I think that having to go back is fine, and then you're like, oh, well, too cold, gotta go back. You're like the DS reference from a couple streams ago. Yeah, I kind of want to play that game because, like, exclusively because it seems like the gameplay loop is kind of like this. And I feel like I can steal from it. Because one thing, it's a really old game, and two, no one can play it anymore. It doesn't, like, the Nintendo eShop is gone. So it's not like, although I don't even think I can play the game. I might be able to find like a ROM or something online, but I do want to do a little bit more research on that game. I think that it's interesting. But give me like 3 minutes. I'm gonna get some more water. I ran out, and then I will be back. Okay, I need to set the timer for you guys. Okay, here's your countdown. 3 minutes. Be right back. I'm back! Okay, so back to what I was saying. Yeah, I really like the DS game. I think it was like, I'm actually gonna have to go back. I don't remember. It's like Blacksmith D Omas, I think. I think that's what it's called. Blacksmith D Omas. Yes. Weapon Shop D Omas. There's really not a whole lot in this. It also did not get a very high Metacritic score. It was released in 2014 in NA and 2012 in Japan. But yeah, so the player takes the role of Yuhan. Whoa, 1 second. Sorry about that. Player takes the role of Yuhan, an apprentice blacksmith who set out to revitalize his master's failing business. The player must craft and rent out weapons to heroes to assist them on crawling dungeons, ultimately attempting to defeat the evil lord who threatens the world. Weapons are created in part by using a rhythm minigame set to a musical beat. How well the players can follow the beat determines the overall quality of the weapon forged. Other aspects include speaking to customers to determine the right weapon for the task. As the game is only set in the weapon shop itself, the story outside the weapon shop is shown via the grindcast. Why is this? Okay. Via the grindcast, a Twitter-like magical apparatus that gives the player real-time feed on their dialogue and quests, sometimes interspersed with images as the player crafts weapons. This seems really interesting to me. I really like the Twitter thing, where it shows you what's going on. Like this. I have no slides, I'm a secret base, you silly kids. That seems really interesting to me. Okay, so Nintendo Life said it has a niche appeal, but excellent writing, setting, presentation, and the gameplay is unique. Puts a twist on the traditional RPGs. I wanna find some more information on this game. Because there's this. It's on the 3DS eShop. Goodness gracious.
How well your weapon turns out will be dependent upon how well you did in the minigame. Different clients have different preferences, such as what type of weapon they use, and for this mission, what type of attacks they're going to be using.
Okay.
The characters you meet are really interesting and have their own goals and as random NPC characters who will show up that are literally called NPCs, and you'll just give them whatever weapons you have that you can give a weapon once after you've made it, and then once every time it gets returned. By the way, I should mention, if a weapon's bad enough or doesn't fit with the mission, then the character will lose, you won't get the weapon back, and you won't get your money either. This game is pretty good humor too, and
Okay. I agree, sure. So, it's a little eShop the Guild 01 series. Is that what this is a part of? Okay. Finally treated the fourth and final installment of the Guild 01 series, the rhythm-based RPG Weapon Shop Theomos. Originally citing an excess of dialogue as causing localization issues, it immediately becomes apparent upon loading the game that this is a valid concern. The Weapon Shop Theomos is a very text-heavy game, especially when considering that it doesn't exactly fall into the visual novel or similar categories. In fact, this game tends to pick and choose elements from different popular genres and mash them together into an entirely new concept that wouldn't ideally work on paper. But it all somehow comes together. It's a rare type of game that sets itself apart from specific classifications and still manages to provide a fulfilling experience. Putting a twist on traditional RPG rules, you play as Yuhan, An apprentice blacksmith determined to revitalize your master's failing business and bring it back to the forefront of weapon crafting. Rather than engaging in any type of monster slaying or relic hunting, heroic figures and nameless NPCs instead visit your shop in search of the right equipment to complete their own gallant quests. Through interactions with your customers the full story unfolds, revealing the return of a great evil. It's up to you, Han, to become the best blacksmith he can in order to craft a weapon powerful enough to allow a hero to defeat the evil lord. So, the story, I don't really care about the story. I don't really even want to steal from that. I don't think it's particularly interesting. I do think that, what is wrong with my... What is up with your green screen? Come on. I do think that the interaction with... It's so wrong. It's fine, whatever. I can't fix it. I think the interaction with the NPCs and determining what they need is really interesting, and I think that I could implement a similar system in this game to where they're like, I need to do this, and then you can try to give them the best weapon for that job. Like, they're going into a dungeon that has a lot of skeletons or something. So, and axes are really good against skeletons. You're like, okay, I'll make them an axe, and then you make them an axe, and they either do well, or they die a horrible death, and you're at fault. So, presented in... Okay, wait. Where was I? Combining rhythm gameplay, RPG elements, and a whole lot of dialogue, Weapon Shop Dio Moss stands out as something completely unique on the eShop. Though billed as a rhythm game, the process of shaping your weapons metal is the only time when you'll be following the beat. And this doesn't constitute nearly as much of the gameplay as one would expect. Hammering away as a weapon takes around 30 seconds of tapping on the touchscreen. And though you'll be crafting many, the majority of gameplay involves interacting with customers and determining what to create next, not unlike a Phoenix Wright case. Part of the challenge for crafting the perfect weapon for any given customer involves getting to know them. Presented as an in-game blog, key elements from conversations with customers are recorded along... Wait, what? Okay, Yes, also the tap mechanism to craft itself looks cool. The reason that I currently just have this bar is I kind of want to implement a system like this bar, where it is like you're doing it at a certain time, but I also want to make it to where you have to actually aim where it's going to be. So what I think I'm going to do is, whenever you're at the anvil, it's going to pop up a little UI, and then you're going to have to tap on where you want to actually hit it. So, let's say you have like your metal bar, right? And you want to bring out this bit. You want to bring out this bit so it like turns into a sword. Then you would have to hit this part, which would then bring out the metal a little bit. And then you gotta hit it, bring out the metal a little bit, hit this part, bring out the metal a little bit, hit this part, bring out the metal a little bit, and just kind of like slowly form it into the correct shape until eventually you have your extrude. You're gonna extrude it. Which that's how actually blacksmithing works. You hit the metal and the metal deforms around the hammer. And you're kind of like, you're trying to draw the blade. To where you're trying to make it longer and skinnier a lot of the time instead of like just a hunk of metal that you have. Another thing, you also generally start with something that's roughly in the right shape, which I could implement a system to where like you have to grind it down to roughly the correct shape, and then you refine that shape with the anvil. So we could have like a grinder, you start with your hunk of metal, you have like your pattern on it, and then you need to follow that pattern, or you can even just like roughly follow it to try to cut out that bit, and then that will be your base for the anvil part or the rest of it. But right now, I'm just trying to get like really basic mechanics and, like, generally how the gameplay loop I feel like should work. See if that kind of works, and then actually implement mechanics that are fun. Because right now, this is honestly not that much fun. Like, it's not hard. That's one thing. It just, you kind of go over here, and then you play a little rhythm minigame. And then you go back. And that's fine. But I think that adding a timer to it might make it more interesting. That's one thing. I really need to tweak the Forge. I think that the Forge minigame is fine, but it just kind of feels weird. Like, the numbers, I think, are off. We also might have to tweak the Forge minigame. I don't really know. It'll be fine. Okay. You gotta go back, and then keep the heat up. Whoop. I could also, yeah, I could make more minigames. Okay, and then you gotta go up. And then you gotta wait. I keep pressing the wrong button. I keep pressing the interact button to try to hit the cursor, which is not right. Gotta go back. And then I want you to superheat it and then quench it, and that'll be the end. Once you quench it, that's it. Yeah, I could make more minigames in, like, just one of the stations. That's an option. I was thinking about making the minigames more complex, and then... Yeah, WarioWare, I think, is a really good, like, showcase of a bunch of different minigames, and I kind of want a system like that. To where, like, it's a bunch of, like, kind of WarioWare-esque minigames, and then at the end you have a piece of thing that you need to sell. Like, you have an axe, or a helmet, or something like that. So I think that doing research on WarioWare would actually be a good path to try to go down. It'd definitely be an interesting way of doing things. Because I'm not exactly sure what I want to do for all the minigames, though. I do know that I want quenching to be the last part, you need the forge, and you need an anvil. I feel like those are very important to the blacksmithing process, like, entirely. Those are... When I did it, those were, like, the three things that really mattered. And whenever I see other people do it, those are, like, the three things that I see, like, really... Those are, like, the main points. And I'm trying to find a way to implement that into a game system to where it's difficult enough to keep engagement and also, like, entertaining enough where people even want to get good at it. Which is a very difficult thing to do in game design in general. But I feel like if I do WarioWare minigames, they're... especially, like, timing-based. Or not timing-based, but if it is time-based, to where there's a timer, like, oh, you have to do it in this amount of time, otherwise the quality drops. I feel like that might work pretty well. That doesn't hold true to the actual blacksmithing at all. But, who cares? Neither does the way that I'm doing the bellows, honestly. The way that this temperature works, this just doesn't make too much sense if you're actually trying to make an allegory for real life, but bellows affecting the height of the flames in the forge is a thing. Yeah, I don't know, I think I might need to change the forge minigame up. Like, entirely. And then add more layers to the anvil minigame to where we actually have that UI and it's actually extruding things. And then also customer interaction or something you actually need to do. Like, you need to make a pickaxe or you need to make an axe. And those need to be meaningfully different in some way. Which right now, with the current system that I have implemented, no matter what it is, it'll be made the exact same way. which isn't very interesting. There needs to be some variety. And I think that the extruding minigame definitely would help with that. But I need to figure out where I want to go with it. And actually properly plan it. We can do some of that today, actually. Because I'm basically out of, like, these are done. I just need to make quenching. I expect this to take a lot longer than it actually ended up taking. Which happens a lot. Sorry, I'm gonna blow my nose one moment. Dude, because we live in Alaska, we go through tissue so fast. I feel like my entire family's nose is permanently running. It just is what it is, man. Sorry, one sec. Just during the winter, I feel like it's hard to not have a permanent cold. Just a little bit of a cold at all times. Okay, so if the quench is, or if the temperature is max, and we interact with the vat, then that is the end of the game. Most, if not all, minigames hold to two categories, while holding the same principle. Match the key to what you see on screen, while A, skill game... Okay, what? Okay, so they fall into the same principle, match the key to what you see on screen. While A, skill game, keys are right to left, i.e. throw paper to garbage. Okay. Match what's expected of you with a button mash or correct keys. Make the lion sneeze using a feather. Okay. We could kind of do something similar to where it'd be like... What if we had like a potion craft like forge system to where you had like the coals down here and you had to throw the coals in with like a physics object, and the physics object was like a scoop or something. So you had to keep it going, and then you had to move, you had to like throw them in there with the physics object, and then keep pumping the bellows, which could also be a physics object, and then you could like control this bit. And when you pump the bellows, that like increases the flames and makes things hotter. I think that would be a fun mini game. And then for the anvil, we can just have it like, oh, here is the axe blade, right? And then you have this bit of metal. Now draw it out to this, and then you would like hit it here, and then get a little bit bigger, and then you'd hit it here, and then it'd draw it a little bit more. You just got to keep hitting it until eventually it roughly fits that. And then when it roughly fits that, you can bring it to the grinder, and then the grinder, you can refine the kind of like bumpy shape that you have that's like roughly that. You can instead like grind the edge to where like, oh, well now it's this, and now it's more like that. So this is an actual refined piece, and this was like the really messed up piece. Token WarioWare is the anticipation and the timer. You have 10 seconds to get what you need done and do it well. Yeah. I don't think that that's required, though. I feel like minigames work regardless. Like, for instance, Heartbound. Heartbound's combat is minigame based. If I can just... Wait, let me grab the Heartbound trailer. Or I can just go to Steam and show what I'm talking about. And Thor's even talked about this. Like, the mini games are intentionally like WarioWare. He has to show the combat. Come on. Yeah, like this. Wait. Does he not? Why? Why is there not combat in the trailer? Okay, there is a little bit. Very, very little. You have to take my word on it. Yeah, it is very narrative heavy, and we don't. But the combat itself is just a bunch of WarioWare mini games, and I feel like oh yeah, loads of them. He shows really cool game jam, really cool game jam. And that's very mini gamey. Okay, he showed a game jam game today that's very mini gamey. Okay, interesting. I might look. I wouldn't watch the VOD then. But yeah, I feel like if we have, I'm gonna keep this up actually. If we have something like this, I think this would be an interesting system to experiment with. And then once I have this implemented, I can give it to testers and be like, hey, is this garbage or is this kind of fun? And see if it's kind of fun. Well, you guys can't see the other bit. There we go. Like this. To where you're drawing out the blade, you hit it, and then it gets pushed out a little bit. This is the template for the blade, to where it's like, oh, well, this is a pickaxe. And then you have, like, this much metal, and you need to draw it out to actually roughly match the pickaxe, and then you can grind it down. I think that would be fun. I don't know that would be fun, but that's what testing is for. I also don't know how I would... This system seems like it would be difficult to actually implement. Like, I'm not sure how I would extrude something like that. I would have to use a mesh with vertexes or vertices. And then... Huh. It's not like it's impossible. I'm just like trying to wrap my head around how we could do that. So let's say that we had like just a few vertices in like so we had like a bunch of vertices here, right? And then some over here, some over here, some over here. And we hit the hammer like right here. Then we want these vertices to move out. So it'd be like we'd have to check each vertice. And if it's close enough, like within the range, then we want to move it out. So then that way, the mesh would automatically, like, bulge out wherever we hit. We just want it to move away from the hammer. Okay. I don't know how the hell to do that. To be honest, I have no idea how I could do that. I understand in concept, I just don't know how to make a mesh and check all of the vertices in Unity. I guess I need to figure that out. Okay, so... let's implement quenching before we do that, and then we can find out, alright? We can mess around. This? Okay, this is the game that Thor was playing on stream that had a bunch of minigames. Let's try it. Let's give it a go. I had to pause my music. Okay. Start. Not moving. Okay. Put my hand in the bag. How? How do I do it? Okay. What? Now jump? I don't even know how to move. Interesting. Okay. Right click the warp. Right click the warp. Okay. So that kills you. You can move them with your gun. Nice. Okay. Okay. What in the world? Okay, so those ones move. If it's dark, or if it's more saturated, then it doesn't move. But you can still move it around. Ah! Get away, get away. Okay, there we go. This is actually very fun. I like this game. Damn it, okay. Wait, come on. Oh! Ah! Get away, man. Ah, I was waiting for the enemy that follows you. I knew it was coming. What the? That was not cool. Okay. I also really like the music. It's very calming. It's very calming for the absolute tomfoolery that's happening. Dude. Get away. Get out of here. Get out of here. Damn it, man. Wait. This is very fun. I kind of want to beat this game now. I think I'm going to. It's my goal. I'm so bad, though. I'm absolute trash. It's possible. Come on. Yeah, this is neat. There's only like a mini game for a moment, though. And like that was kind of cool. It was like an interesting start to the game. But I don't feel like it has anything to do... Is it a riddle? It didn't feel like much of a riddle. Yes. You're so tired, I can't remember when they threw me in this. I'm not really hungry or thirsty. I just want it to stop. Okay. Well. What the hell, man? Okay. Interesting. Okay, these ones have a different movement pattern. Ew. God, is it a... what is the impact of the riddle? Because it did not feel like there was much of one. At all. I don't know what that is. What is this? Oh, it explodes. That's what that was trying to teach me. Okay, what is this one? Okay, that explodes but different. Okay, so I have to avoid hitting those. Or I'm gonna have a real bad time. Whoa! Okay, they can hit them. I need to turn this game down a little bit. I wish there was a way to do that in-game, but that's okay. You don't know what's going to happen and you have time to solve it? I suppose? Okay, wait. We're good? We're okay? I wasn't even sure if I was doing it right, to be honest. I was just kind of spamming buttons and really hoping. Because I didn't know how the controls worked. I'm so sorry, guys. Wait, give me 1 second. Give me a moment. By a second, I mean like a minute or two. Sorry. So sorry about that. Okay. Back to the grind. But yeah, I feel like... But it didn't feel like a very good puzzle, because it was just... I solved it purely by force, and was kind of just confused the entire time. Like, I didn't exactly understand what was happening. I feel like... Currently... Okay, so these guys only activate within a certain range. It feels a little bit like they ran out of ideas. Or they ran out of, like... I feel like the earlier levels were stronger. Is what I'm trying to say. Okay, there's another dude. Endless, right? I've been trying to make a map in my head, but everything seems to shift. I'm getting used to being killed every few hours, but I don't know what to do. It's endless, right? Okay. There has to be an end. Certainly. Oh, no. Whoa! I just have to keep shooting, I guess. This is more interesting. Oh, no. Oh, no, man. Ooh, I think You might have... No, I can still get in. Okay, we're good. Okay, wait. This is a neat game, though. This is, like, fantastic for being done in 2 weeks. There are so many levels. Okay, wait. Okay. Dude, this is brutal. Okay. There we go. Oh. Dude, this is a lot of stuff for a 2-week game. I keep expecting it to end, but it just doesn't. Oh, that's my death counter. That's funny. Okay, I have to get the enemies in there. Interesting. No, bad, bad. Get into the keyhole. I need you to be in there, please. Thank you. Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come on. You know you wanna. You know you wanna. You wanna go into the hole? Go into the keyhole. Come on. Buddy. Buddy, I need you to work with me here. Thank you. I wonder if I can still die by them. And I probably can. I don't... It's not worth testing. Oh, no. Yeah, you just, like, fall in there. Thank you. And you get back. This is a disaster. What? Okay, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. This is a lot of stuff, though. I know it's not never-ending. There's no way. There's no way that these are randomly generated levels, but this is massive for a 2-week game. And it looks good! Like, they did a lot of cool visual effects. This is made by some very talented people. Okay, I don't know how we're getting out of this one. That way. Exactly what I just did. Slip in and out. Easy. Not even close, baby. Oh, we made it this far. Good job, I guess. I think I'll stay here a while. There's one of them, a warden. Make sure we're not escaping, as if we could leave this place. Wow. Owie. Do I go down? Is that the... I need to get one of them into the far... You are... Come on, man. Can you just, like, work with me here? Thank you. Oh, wow, that was a little bit close. That is cruel and unusual. What the hell? What do you even do here? Okay. I guess you do that. You train them? Yeah, I played COD Zombies. Zombies was very good. Okay, COD Zombies, it's different than Left 4 Dead in a lot of ways. Which was very... Oh, you can't die. I just walked over it. But it's still like... And honestly, I had a completely different feel. But it's cool that it exists. I like COD Zombies. It's kind of an arcade game. I feel like it has to... I don't even know. What would you call that? Because it is an arcade game. Like, absolutely. What do you do here? What? Wait. Huh? COD Zombies? It caused 50% of gambling addicts? Maybe. Alright, maybe. COD Zombies definitely was a very luck-based game, but I felt like if you were good enough, it didn't matter. Like, you know, if you got ray gun, it was over for the zombies, but it felt like you could make it through. Which I feel like it's very hard to keep a balance like that. Like a lot of games that implement luck, and it's just if you poorly implement too many luck-based mechanics, it feels like it is actually just gambling, but I don't feel like COD Zombies was that. I don't feel like it was like that too much. Definitely had some, a good bit of luck. I feel like it's, like, kind of the same with most Battle Royale games. Like, I feel like the luck balance is... It's just enough to where you can blame it if you lose. But not enough that it really, really hampers gameplay. And, like, the experience of the game. And that's one thing that's really interesting to me. If you have luck in your game, it can actually help reduce rage. Which is, it sounds very counterintuitive, but people can instead blame the game for their loss instead of their own incredible lack of skill. Like, it's like the same with having teammates in a team game. You can blame your teammates. You can be like, well, you know, it wasn't me, alright? Like for League of Legends, you can be like, well, top lane got fed as you absolutely inted your ass off in jungle and got 0 objectives. Like, this is coming from experience, guy. I was a jungle man. But like, you know, it kind of adds to it a little bit. It is... It's interesting how luck affects that. Because on one hand, I feel like if you ask players what they want, they're not going to say, I want luck. I feel like very few people are going to be like, I want to gamble, alright? That's my goal. Now, obviously people gamble. Dude, that is such a hard pattern to get past. What the hell? But yeah, I feel like people obviously gamble, and people enjoy gambling, but I don't feel like people will ever... Like, if you ask players, I don't feel like they're ever gonna say, like, hey, I need another gacha game, alright? I need to gamble. Unless they're very self-aware. Which, you know, there are those people out there. Where they're like, you know what I do really need in my life? I need to gamble my life savings away in gacha. They exist. What was in the bag? A sling? At least that's useful. I got a guitar. He got a guitar? Dude, I would... That goes hard, though. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, okay. What? That was gone. That was not there. You made that up, game, quite frankly. Okay, brother. Man. What the hell? Okay. I don't know how I got past the first one. Dude, no. Okay, this level is silly. This level's a bit goofy. Wait. Okay, wait. No, 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 no. I have it? I have the line. I just need to, like... Alright, and then we hit that, and we walk away, and we walk away, and then we just... And then we walk away. I got hit by literally nothing. I'm mad, alright? I'm angry. Get angry, get mad. Oh, dude. This level is silly. Okay, that just stopped existing. But you know what, I'll take it. Maybe I won't. Maybe I just suck. Please! Okay, all the particles are gone. Now I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna do that. We're just gonna have everything explode. Oh, no! Oh, dude. Okay, triggering that is a horrible idea. What? What is this garbage? No! Okay, so if you trigger the middle one, you are actually just a goner, because... But I feel like you have to. Like, you have to trigger the middle one? Yeah, now it's over. I feel like I'm not in a good spot. Because it can trigger all of them, man. Wait, no, we're totally fine. We're actually totally good. Easiest level of my damn life. This is disrespectful. Oh, okay, you can destroy these? Okay. This one doesn't seem that hard, honestly. Okay, well, you say that, and then I immediately walk into the thing. Walk into the murder. What even... Is it gas? I don't know. I don't know, man. Okay, wait. Okay, we just need to avoid these guys, then we're good. There we go. This game is massive. This was made in 2 weeks. How? How was this game made in 2 weeks? That's insane to me. Okay, this is yet another... Okay, okay, we got that. I just need to knock out, like, as many of them as I can without killing myself. And then I think we can, like, actually do the... I killed myself. Damn it. In a video game. Alright, Twitch? Listen to me. You know what I meant. The TTS is just not happy right now. Not the TTS, the... Maybe. No. Speech to text. Whatever. The opposite of TTS. Okay, so now this is an easy level, because we cleared everything. And we can just train them. When does it end? There's another digit. Does this really have 100 levels? There's no way, right? These people are insane. How did they make this in 2 weeks? I was like, you know, this is a fun game. I'm impressed. This is insane. How long this game is? This is not a Game Jam entry. This is a damn Steam game. They literally could have released this on Steam and I would not have batted an eye. I probably wouldn't have played it. Because I would never have heard of it. Oh my goodness. We're good. This is surprisingly fun, though. I don't like this. I need to make a grand escape. Okay, there we go. Oh no. I have to do it again. Please? Please just go in the opposite direction. Thank you. This game has to end at level 50, right? Like, there's no way that they actually implemented 100 levels. That 0 down there is a joke. It has to be. There's no way, man. Funnily enough, I think this is the first video game I've played in, like, weeks. I don't get any time to play video games anymore. I spend all of it either doing college work or programming or developing games. Which is awesome. I very much enjoy that. What is this thing's attack pattern? Besides just super weird? What are you doing? What? I don't know what this thing does. You shouldn't have made it this far. Now die! Okay, I think this is probably the last level. I don't know what the point of those things are. Oh, wait. I think hitting them turns them into the pink ones, which I need to fill the slots. I'm pretty sure this is the last level. This is a neat game, man. It was made in 2 weeks? Did this game win? It had to have done, like, really well, right? There's no way that it didn't get very close to winning if it didn't win. Because if it, honestly, I kind of want to play more of the Pirate Software Game Jam games now. I'm curious. I'm curious how they did. Okay, wait. Let's make sure I don't do another game jam. Damn it, Darth, why'd you do this to me? Now I'm like, dude, I should make a banger game. I don't know. I mean, technically, I have the technical capability to make a game not this visually impressive, but mechanically in depth. I don't know if I'll ever do it. I mean, hopefully at some point, right? That's the goal. Make a game. Okay, that just slid in itself. Okay, what are you doing? Why is the pathfinding going off in literally nowhere? I need you to go into this corner, buddy. Thank you. They're like, that's just half of the game. No, okay. Oof. Pretty sure it's over. It's completely dark. You walk a few steps as you try to make sense of this space you're in. This is such a cool visual effect. How did they do this in 2 weeks? This is insane. Your eyes slowly adapt to the darkness, and you start seeing faint. It's still of the prison. You're still trapped. Well, sucks to suck, buddy. It is endless. Nice! Where should you go? Do I get to choose? No. Maybe? What is this, man? Is that the end of the game? It was. First break. Made by Arcab. That's one person. That was made by a singular person. Huh? Okay. Arcab. How? How the hell? I want to see this game design document. Give it to me. What? How did this get made? In Construct 3? They did all of this in Construct 3. Damn, dude. Okay. Okay. This is incredible. Oh, it's a team? Why is it just say one? Now working on the full game. Thanks for amazing comments, it means a lot. Just wanted to say I started working on the full first break with intention of making a full game. I have a lot of other ideas, story mechanics, and really excited to get back to it. As I dive deeper in development, I'm looking forward to I'm looking for a solid pixel art so you can make moody, atmospheric, 16. Okay, yeah. Are you sure that this is a group? This is one person. This is a single person. Yeah, no, this was one person. That's insane. Yeah, there's no one else listed anywhere. Dude. This game is very, very well made. Okay, what did it get? How? How the hell? How? Okay. What did they actually give this? Wait, where? Wait, okay, it's on itch.io. It is on the, should be, wait. Is it not? Where do you see the winners? 3 in theme? Where? Results, maybe? Did this only have 1 rating? Why are there so many firsts? I feel like these only had 1 rating. No winners yet? Did they not announce it? Am I going crazy? They said they're gonna announce it on the 27th. It is the 27th. Okay. I swear that he pinged an announcement that had the first. It had all of them. He slipped up. I saw it. I don't remember it, though. He definitely sent it, alright? He sent the message. This message right here. He edited it. Because this had the winners. I swear to God. Alright? That happened. It had to have. Or I'm losing my mind. You know what? I'm okay with that. Wait. I doubt that anyone... He probably deleted any remnants of it. He definitely did, though. I'm not going crazy. Probably. But yeah, that was really good. That was neat. Are there any really good Game Jam submissions from the Pirate Game Jam that I need to check out? Because this was a banger. First break. Okay. Yeah, this is a great game. If you guys want to play it, it's fun. It's quite a bit of fun. You guys should do it. I'm sending in double chats. You only see this, but there's a ton. You've only seen this. Yeah, I want to see, you see, I can look at the results, but I'm pretty sure that these literally had 1 rating. Yeah, 1 rating. A singular person rated this really high. Like, I don't... Man. Hey! How are you doing, Tate? We're looking at the submissions to the Pirate Software Game Jam right now. There's one that we just played. It was really good. You linked a bunch in, I'm presuming the Pirate Software Jam Discord. Wait, let me scroll up. Was it in our DMs? I don't see these. Where did you put these? Where did you link these? Where? I don't see them. Could rate my game. No. I don't think that's how that works. If you want to play my games, then you can... Wait. If Nightbot is not slacking... Nightbot, you silly, silly boy. What is going on? Okay. Wait, no, it was working. You can play my games there. That is my itch. Look for links in our general? I'm looking, man. They're not here. There are none. They don't exist. They actually don't exist. You're gaslighting me. There's nothing. There's literally nothing here. There are no links. I'm looking at links. Has link. There are none. Wait, there are some. Way, way farther up. There are two. Halt of Singularity. Okay. Try this. Alright, let's see it. Let's give it a look-see. Alright. If it'll load, wait, play. Interesting, okay. Add... Whoa, okay. I don't have enough data. I think I'm gonna lose now. New AI connection. What do these do? What do adding neural nodes actually do? Am I supposed to be guarding these neural nodes? Well, that's just not cool. Why did it spawn it literally on it? Dude, come on. Okay. I don't think there's a way to pause this. I need to turn the volume down, though. So loud. This one's interesting. Okay, that's down. Wait, is this the only one left? Oh no. Why did you place that at such a trash spot? Oh man. Yeah, come on. I feel like you can get really messed up by RNG. Which I don't like. This is interesting though. This is neat. The art looks really nice. Like, the presentation is good. The UI is a bit scuffed, but like... Okay. I think that this is the entire game. I don't feel like there's any reason to ever actually add a neural node, because they can just get taken over. Which sucks. Not good. Wait, can I... Wait a minute. Can I steal their neural nodes? If I place my things close to it, can I just, like, yoink it? Okay, dude. Can I just steal yours? No. Alright, well that was interesting. And then you sent one more. Contra Tentacle. Let's try it. Let's see if it's fun. I need to pause the music. Although I don't know if this one has any audio. We'll see. Let's go with normal. That works. This is so loud. Okay.
Blast off. Got a light? Chop chop? Yeah, whatever, man.
I love the voices. That's fantastic. I don't know what these do. Wait. Go here. Get them. Please? E. E. Get it.
Got a light?
Oh, wait. I need to move these.
See what it takes. Well, I'll give it a shot. Whatever, man.
Wait, move here. All of you. Wait, you move over here.
I'm more of a pacifist. For the domes!
Okay, not good.
I have to kill it.
I need all of these to go. You too, come on.
Just want to keep a clipping.
I didn't understand what was happening originally, so...
Whatever, man.
Whatever, man.
Got a light?
Whatever, man.
Yeah.
Wow, this is not going good, to be honest.
Work. I'll do it myself. Set it to simmer.
Okay,
What?
yeah, you get it, please.
Yeah.
Major infestation. Okay, I get that. What do I do now? It's lost.
More extraction.
It's over, man.
What you need? Got a light?
Okay, so I'm not sure what the point of this game is. I'm losing food, I'm losing research. I'm okay. I'm okay with that one, actually. I think I'm gonna not do that one. So here's by playability, by theme. I think that this is not going to get me anywhere good. I feel like if I look at the screenshots and then judge things off of a snap judgment, it will get me something that is interesting. This looks interesting. Do they have a playable version? No. I'm gonna do something you should never do. Do not download these games. Fun and beautiful game. It's probably not a virus. Other people played it first and they rated it. It's probably not a virus. Is what I tell myself. The only way I can cope. Okay, let's try it. Run anyway. I should probably change the stream title. That would be a good idea. We are playing Pirate Software Jam Submissions. Awesome. We're gonna save that, and then I need to copy that over to YouTube so that at least the title's accurate. Okay, there we go. That's roughly correct. Very small. Okay, was spacebar. Okay, 0 and 9 to toggle pixel graphics. What? Okay, a strange mucus-like infection started to spread rapidly all over the world. You're one of the survivors that is currently on the way to the underground shelter, so you have a chance to outlive that, or outlive the spreading contagion. The virus can infect any organism that has living cells in it. You can move and think if infection had a brain. Okay, it can move and think if infection had a brain. It can hide itself by entering a chameleon-like state to blend with the terrain, but as you get closer to it, your head starts to hurt badly, and the infection spread to any living organism, any sort of brain, then it loses its mimicry abilities. It doesn't affect your brain, but it becomes... Okay, I am not reading this. Okay, how... Oh. What? What kills me? Uh, you're dead. I'm dead. Alright. I guess you can't touch the ground. I died. Okay. Whoop. Shouldn't have done that. This game looks so good. This game visually looks fantastic. It is interesting. Okay. The fact that you just die if you go too far away is a bit silly. Like, if you're just like, well, guess I'll die, and then you just explode. Your body just immediately turns to mulch. I don't know what the hell is happening there. What the heck? Okay. Dude, what is happening? Okay, wait. Nope. You're gone. You can control your momentum a little bit. Man. Okay. Nope. Wait. Okay, no, that somehow killed me. Okay, wait, we're alive? So far? Never mind. This game is slightly infuriating, I'm gonna be honest. This game does not inspire joy in me. I think that might have been the point. I think that this may be a rage game. I think that the virus that is supposed to be spreading is your blood pumping through your body as the anger fills you. What the hell is happening? Okay. And I think the worst thing is that it's a little bit springy. So like, okay, but now I'm alive. But the second I hit the ground, I'm over. There's a timer. You stink. Why is there another timer? Okay, okay. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, wait. I just need to like do it like way later, and then I can survive for a singular second before somehow swinging into it anyway. Okay, I don't know how I lived that, but I'm okay with that. Hajj. I was gonna say they're gonna slip. All right, you won't ever catch me slipping. I, I. Okay, I think that I'm actually done with that one. I think that I am going to not play that game. I'm okay, actually. It was fun for a moment, but a moment. This looks neat. Can I play this on... Damn it. I really don't like downloading things. That scares me a little bit. I would prefer it to be on itch.io. Much prefer it to be. He submitted it twice. Interesting, okay. Spreading weeds. Let's try this one. Why not? Why not? I haven't got to play Thornities. Actually, I want to play Thornities. Thornity, I think I'm following him. Really? Wait. Is there a way that you can see who you're following? There has to be. No, not great. Explore recommendations? Can I see the creators that I'm following? Dashboard, no. Jams. Where do I go to see this? I know there's a way that you can see the people that you're following. I actually have no idea how to do it, though. How? Why? Why don't... Come on, man. Just make it easy to see everyone that you're following. I can't even find the button. Okay, I might be able to find it on his Discord. Wait, let me check. No, he doesn't have it linked. Alright. Never mind. Back to it. Okay, so... So feel free to look through these. There are a lot of great things that were submitted to this jam. I've seen a little bit, but not too much. That looks interesting. Don't tell me I have to download it. Don't do it. Damn it, man. Are you trying to do the tooltip UI? Yeah, UI in Unity scares me, if I'm being honest. It's just so weird. Okay, we'll wait for that to down. Let's look for more. This looks interesting. So did this. Is it a download? Please don't tell me. Why? Why? Damn it. Damn it, man. No one does. Back in my day, alright? No one played games that weren't uploaded in the HTML5 format. Back in my day, by that I mean every other game jam I've ever done. I don't think, like, most people do not owl. Most people do not download the games because it's dangerous. It's actually dangerous. It can so easily infect your computer. Don't just go randomly downloading files. It's not a good idea. I say as I'm randomly downloading a file. But other people played it first, and they said that it wasn't a virus, so... Okay. I can almost guarantee I'm skipping over some fantastic games, but... This looks interesting. Fungicide. Do you have an HTML5? Why are you like this? People, please, upload it in the HTML5 format. For the love of everything. This just looks like it's Puyo Puyo Tetris. You know, I might play it if they don't have an itch build. I love it. I love it. I love it. No one is ever gonna upload an HTML5 build. I'm losing it. I'm glad to get your password back. Don't lose it again. Your father Twitch will come down on you. Jeff Bezos. Okay. It's done? Wait. This one's done. Nice. Let's extract this. Okay. This is an Unreal game, so it opens on the correct monitor. Fun fact, you don't trust those? You shouldn't. You have no reason to, quite frankly. Never trust random executables. Okay. I can throw fire. Okay. What? What does that mean? Is this a horror game? Man, that's not what I signed up for. The shuffle gods are feeling generous. Okay. Certainly nothing bad will happen. Certainly. I just truly do not like the atmosphere. I hate these sounds. Dude, why? You start shaking? What does this mean? I hate this. Okay. The parkour gods. Parkour god. Come on. What the hell is that? What does this even mean? Wait, why am I lighting these on fire? What is the point? Nice. I'm a bit confused at what the purpose of the game is. The atmosphere is fantastic. There's not like something directly behind me coming to end my life, correct? No, everything seems fine. We're just vibing. Dude, I hate the sounds. I hate it in a good way. What is happening? Okay, was that the end of the level? Huh? What is... What is going on there? Why can't I light this one? Can I hit him? Can I just like... Dude, okay. I feel like something should have jumped out and murdered me. I'm truly surprised that nothing has. Do I just keep going? Alright. I have absolutely no idea. We're playing games from the Pirate Software Game Jam. Oh, he's just here now. He's just vibing, I guess. I think this is supposed to, like, help you light your path. The atmosphere of this game is deeply unsettling, but... You know, the mechanics and the fact that I haven't gotten inadvertently murdered... It's, like, alright. That looks like...
Screw underscore it underscore.
Man, I don't
Let's
like this.
underscore do underscore it redeemed to say you see that guy's face. That's the TF2 spy. He's coming for our mothers.
No! Off to see your mother. Where do I go now? I think that I'm just supposed to, like, randomly... Wait, there has to be, like, a way to actually see it. It's right there. There's something here. Okay, wait. Now, how do I get over there? Because presumably, I can't just jump over there. Okay, so there has to be a way. What happened? Wait, why can you see into the abyss? You can't. I thought that you could. That's just a lamp. That's the lamp that I'm holding. Wow, that was a jump. I'm here. We're all right here. I humbly disagree. I think I'm actually the only one here. Maybe eventually, because, okay, I thought that this was a horror game. And I was very unsettled because of the sounds, but now I just don't care. Because it didn't deliver. It didn't deliver on the promise it made me.
Alex or something 1234 redeemed to say don't die.
Don't worry, I won't. I'm a god gamer, okay? What is that in the middle? Can I just, like, wait. Kobe! Wait. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. How do I make it over there? Oh, okay, there's a platform right here. Awesome. And then there's another platform right here. And I died. I died a horrible death. Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't listen to you. I'll listen next time. See, I think you're supposed to find your path by, like, throwing these, although you don't really need it. It's kind of weird. Okay. It is just cucking me out of a jump. I don't know why. Sometimes you jump and it just doesn't jump all the way. And it's not like there's variable jump or anything. Actually, is there? No. I think that it is just they did not implement the mechanic properly. I'm making you mad? Well, okay, I jumped. I swear I jumped. Okay, I swear. It's not me, it's the game. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. No! Okay, no. Calm down, calm down. Calm down! Calm down! It was a misinput! I don't think you can actually jump there. I feel... Where is my momentum going? It's just getting immediately eviscerated. My upward momentum gets eviscerated when I clip anything. I think that the game is snapping me to the ground. And then I'm falling off. What? Okay, wait. And then we go over here, and then we go over here, and then we go here, and, you know, this game is, like, it was unsettling for a bit, but they didn't murder me. There was nothing there. It's a horror nothing burger. That's the worst kind of horror. Like, at least deliver. Have something try to spook me a little bit. The flowers in the garden. Okay. Now, I may have to take back. I hate that. I hate the chimes. What the hell, man? The fire began to bloom. I'll leave some for you. Thanks, man. Oh! Oh, I hate that. Oh, there is something now. Oh. The AI is trash. Hi, buddy. Hi. How are you? What is that me? Oh no, it's following my path. Wait, what do I do? Wait, what do I do? Wait, it's following my path. I need to get out of here, like, right now. Like, literally right now. How do I go? Where do I go? He's coming. He is coming. Him. Where's the next platform? Where the hell is the next platform? Where is the next platform, man? Don't. Where are you? What? Okay. There has to be a platform around here, right? What is happening? Okay, I think the AI may just actually be hot garbaggio. I don't know what is happening. How do I get over there? Huh? You know what? I'm gonna meet our friend here. How's it going, bro? How are you doing? He's just vibing. What happens if I... Alright. Oh, he's just here, and I get permanently stunlocked. Alright. Well, I was scared for all of 3 seconds. Okay, where do I go? See, I was scared, but now I'm just annoyed. I don't know what the heck to do. Can't kill him. This doesn't do anything. For some reason, I can double do things. I can hit it twice, and I think that's a bug. Was this game finished? Is it possible? Because there's no other platform. No, he doesn't have a jump scare. You just die. You just die. Do I make the grand escape? Nope, not even close. And now he's just there. Okay. If I go back. Why do you get spawn camp? That's so lame. Okay, I am done with this game. I am done with that. Okay, we downloaded another one. This was fungicide. Let's extract that. Fungicide, extract. The atmosphere of that game was really good until the game started happening, and then the atmosphere immediately fell apart, and I stopped caring. Oh, this was maybe Tull's game. We played that. This looks interesting. It's not an HDMI L5. Man, okay. No thanks. Okay. Please open. It did open on the right page. Nice. Okay. That is really loud, and I need to add that. I'm actually going to enable desktop audio, and then make that quieter. I need to make that quieter for myself as well, but I can't. Wait. Oh no. Okay. Well, the game looks neat. The game looks good, okay? If it looks good, then I don't care. Far across cosmos, the ovis of fair and peaceful society. Live and farm in peace. This is so loud! I can't access volume mixer, though. Okay, wait, now I can. Open volume mixer. Way down. Like, 2. Thank you. Goodness. Okay, the Madrich. Cool. I don't know, will the Otis survive? Isn't that what I'm supposed to find out? Okay. That was... I wish that I had that the entire time. The art for this game is neat. Okay. Am I the bad guy? I suppose. Cost 100. How much do I have? 4... Okay. What does this do? Okay, end turn. Alright. End turn, I guess? Oh, I had to place the unit. I see. And then how do I move him? How do I... I guess I don't. I guess I just don't move him. I like the pixel art for this game. The isometric perspective is really neat. Okay. And then can I kill him? No. The controls for this game are a bit weird. I don't even think it's the controls. I think the reason that I think it's weird is because nothing is really highlighted, so it just feels wrong. Okay, let's get... These guys have absolutely no health. That's okay, though. Let's get that guy out front. Let's attack that one, and then we'll move this right here. Can I kill this one? That did not do very much damage. Any at all. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what this game is happening. I don't really know what the hell's going on. I think my guys are losing. Yeah, this game's art is neat. There's just not very much game here. Let's get some more units in, and then we're gonna end our turn. Oh, I can move the camera? No, I can only zoom. Wait, no, I can move the camera. Interesting, okay. How are you alive, man? Wait, let me go here, and then attack that one, and then I can go here. And then I can't attack. Damn it. I don't know when I get these. 45, what is this? Tiles owned by you. Okay. I think that this is supposed to spread, like, your tiles, how much you own. I'm gonna move way over here, and then I'm gonna go, like, here, and then kill that guy. Then keep advancing. And then... I'm not exactly sure where the strategy or anything comes in. How are they doing that? How are they taking this land? Is this the guy that takes the land? I don't think that my guys can take land right now. Somehow. Yeah, I don't think I have a land taker. So I think I just lose. Alright, well that was... H to toggle HP bars, that is not helpful. Okay, now I have a guy to do things, and hopefully he can do the things that I need him to do. Okay, and then I am going to walk over here, I guess? I don't see a point in anything that's happening. I can intuitively feel that my goal is... Okay, wait, can I... Okay, I guess I just shoot this guy then. Let me just shoot him. Okay, well I just killed him. What's next? What's part 2? Like, that's cool and all, but what do I do now? Why are they gaining so much more than I am? I don't understand. Alright. No, wait, I want the other one, and then we're gonna kill that guy, and then we're gonna move over here, I guess, and then we're gonna buy a guy and put him here? Yeah, I don't know how to do anything that will help me, or aid me in any way. Okay. I think that I may be done with this game. I think that we are going to all F4. And then I downloaded another one, which this one actually looks really good. The seller one, this looks really neat. I have no idea what this is, and it's a bit... What the heck? It looks a bit spooky, but I think it'll be fun. It's another Unreal game. Nice! Okay. Let me in! Hopefully this one isn't unbelievably loud. Deadbolt Interactive. Okay, they don't have a menu. That means that I have to bring this over, open volume mixer, find it somewhere. Where are you? There we go. Bring that down quite a bit. So it's just gonna blast. Okay. Wow, that is... Oh, I'm getting flashbanged. Why? Cattle in the cellar. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, that was... They didn't need to do that. Okay, that was disrespectful, to be frank. I see I can turn. E. Return. One more chance to rule them all. You found the return card. This will allow you to return it from the void. Okay. Neat. Exit the void. Truly, I would love to? Okay. Now I can go. Dude, if this flashbangs me again, I might not play the game. Why? What is wrong with you? Cover your eyes. What the hell, man? Who does that? It's actually so bright. It's unbelievably bright. Hopefully it never does that again. Welcome back, my lord. Oh, dude, it's actually, like... My eyes genuinely hurt. Why would anyone do that? It should be against the game. That should be against the rules. He's just a little guy. My name, sure. I'm Kata. I think that's how it was. Interesting choice, I'm Kata. Okay, he humbly serves me. He's just a little guy, alright? He's a cool little guy. For eternity. That's a pretty long time, man. Thank you. Okay, I'll be careful. Lots changed since your death. Powerful forces have been... Okay. Charon is enthroned, waiting for you. Be prepared to offer him 20 blood cards. 20? I only have one. Should probably get some more blood cards then. I don't exactly know what that means, but wait. Don't trust anything these demons say. They'll lie and lie with no remorse for what comes out of their filthy mouths. I'll be in the waiting room is a lie. You figured out how it works once before, you can do it again. He who controls the waiting room waits no more. View inventory. Critical. A key that should open most doors in the cellar, a master key. But there are a few doors this won't open. I've never found out what lay behind those doors. Perhaps in this life I gained that knowledge. Critical? What the heck? What is this? I can't cycle. I'm trying to. I'm scrolling. I'm scrolling like a madman. What is the critical? Okay. Return once more. Okay. Interesting. Are there any more goodies to be found? There was a goodie. Torch. Nice. That is Ah, they're British. This is the British torch. The heart beating is neat. I like it. Boop. Boop. Ooh, I got another blood card. Found the Thor minion card. This card is a tank type. It will absorb damage from enemies' attacks. Minion cards can be combined with other cards to create unique enhancements. Thor. That is deeply cursed. That is deeply cursed. That's very funny, though. Okay, I'm not gonna go into the void until I explore everything everywhere all at once. Hi, buddy. So, do I have another option? I guess I don't. I can't sell anything. Alright. I have 0 blood cards. And I can't move. Wait, yes I can. Okay, so if I move into that room, my camera's locked. Is that the throne room? Who is this guy? Sell? I don't know. I need these. Okay, if I ever get those, I know where to go. Okay. Wait. There's another room. You found sacrifice overlap. The ghost sacrifice. The goat sacrifice by your followers can be pulled from purgatory for meat harvest. The merchant will buy... Okay, how much stuff is in this game? This was made in 2 weeks. Meat cube. Well, I know where to go. I know where to get rid of that meat cube. eBay plushies are crazy expensive. That makes sense. I feel like it probably depends on the plush, but there's a large market for plushes. Why would I ever need this? How do I get out of this? Why would I need that? Alright. Neat. Huh? It's probably the throne room. How the hell did I get over here? Oh, there's another meat cube. Why do I think I would need that? No reason. Just to hide, you know, to play like peekaboo with my little guy. You know, the little follower guy. He's just a little lad. Is that Mickey? This is a public domain type and cast spells to keep lawsuits away. Mouseman does not infringe on any known copyright. That is hilarious. The floating head keeps winning. No matter what you seem to try, he always comes out on top. The rules keep changing. The key must be in the waiting room. Okay. I haven't found out what the actual objective of this game is yet. And quite frankly, it scares me. There's another meat cube over here, though. I'm an enjoyer of the meat cubes, alright? I don't know how I found myself in this predicament, but I'm here now. Wait, there's another thing to read. Is there a meat cube in here? Can I get a meat cube? Ooh. Found small cat minion card. This is a rogue type and has a special quality. The small cats alternate their health and damage attributes every round. I keep getting these cards. I have never... I don't know what to use them for. What do I do with these? Gain the favor of the prince, and many more doors shall open for you. They incur a hefty price, a price that you will have to pay if you wish to gain knowledge you need. That ace up your sleeve is worthless if you don't know how to use it. Thanks. Dude, I still have no idea where I am. Okay, I already got that meat cube. This is where I got Thor. That's the abyss. Where's the guy that wanted meat cubes? He's over here. I found my way back. Hello, sir. I would like to sell my meat cubes. I got 15 blood cards. How many do I have? Perfect. Okay, so I only have 5. Perfect? What? So I need another blood card, I think. Or another 5. So I need another meat cube. Going to sleep, no tooltip. Alright, have a good night. I hope you figure out the tooltip thing in the morning, man. Best of luck. Okay, I need to fight one more meat cube before I go see Charon. My good buddy. My good pal. This is my last meat cube? Okay, awesome. Fantastic. Okay, got a meat cube, and now I just gotta navigate my way back. That door is infinitely opening. I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. Can I just bash my head to a wall? I can. No. This damn maze. I need to find my way back. I need to give Charon 20 blood cards. Or something. Did I already get this one? I did. I definitely did. Ooh, what's this? Found the Goatsy. Goatsy is able to grant +6 either health to damage, any other card in your hand. Okay. It will be destroyed and killed. Dude, I have no idea what's happening, to be honest. There's Charon. I'm just going to ignore. Can I just get infinite mute cubes? Wait, can I just get infinite meat cubes? I don't understand. You wonder about people that aren't chatting? Okay. Listen, alright? I appreciate everyone who's here, even if you're not chatting, okay? You're supporting even if you were sitting there and have it in the background while you're programming. That helps. I don't chat a lot in Twitch streams. Okay, so now I need to return to the throne room. And hopefully not get randomly flashbanged again. Dude, I swear. If they do that again, I might ult it for. I don't think I can do that. See the throne room for the whole my domain. I must go there as soon as I can. Okay. So I can't actually go in there. What? You're not judging them? You're just playing Geometry Dash. What is this? Is there like a... Am I supposed to be scared? What's happening? Hello, Charon. Hey, buddy. There are rumors that you've acquired an item. This item makes a lot of people very uncomfortable. Very well then. I'll send you on your way. Remember that not all is what it seems. I have no... Ah, don't do that. What the hell? The waiting room. It's not real. The waiting room isn't real. Now it's FPS controls. No. I refuse. You're invited. All F4. Accept the offer and leave the game already. No. Okay, wait. There is a way out. Do it. All F4. Game equal over. Fun equal never had. Certainly they wouldn't, like, have you actually all for the game, right? Wait, what? No, there's no way. Nah, there's no way. Get real. Cool people press Alt F4. I don't believe this. How... What if it is? What if it is actually a bait? It's all one giant bait. That'd be very funny. You suck. I can keep this up forever. How much longer can you keep this up for? Okay? Wait 1 second. Sorry, 1 moment. The game says there aren't any other messages. I disagree. We're gonna take the seat. Final warning, there was another message! I have to listen to the voices. No! Bloody hell, mate. There are posters everywhere telling you to give up. No, I disagree. There has to be a way out. No. The game's over. You know what to do. I thought using these templates would be a pretty cool way to tell you that the game is over and the content is out already. Sorry, but this is made in 2 weeks. I'm strapped for time. Just all the 4. There's so much effort put into this waiting room. Injecting virus. 4chan is entering your machine as we speak. Honestly, that is the worst possible thing that could possibly happen. Psych. Just kidding. You're probably shitting yourself there, though. No. No, I was not. There has to be something. Like, this was made in 2 weeks. That's fair. I agree. It was made in 2 weeks. Feels like game, there is no game. Not sure what the right, this is negative, hit my handwriting ability, commentary person. Ah! I knew it. Wait. Okay, this is actually horrible. Why did he do this? The lights? Why would he do this? This is cruel and unusual. Is there gonna be like a jump scare or something? Even now in the darkness, you're really a special to whatever you are. Dude, there's gonna be a jump scare. I'm actually sweating. I don't like this. I really don't like this. I kinda wanna Alt F4 now. Okay. A gift. Thank you. Thank you, man. Oh. Oh. There has to be more. Let's look at all these, though. I think that it was actually over. I think it was actually over. What? You're kidding me. Yeah, this is... All of that is deeply disturbing. I think it's very funny, though. It's over. I'm pretty sure it's over, man. What if it's not? Why would someone put this much effort into this? Like, this is a troll. This is a large amount of trolling. And now I sit. And now I wait. There's nothing left. I think that this is it. I'm pretty sure that this is the end of the game. It was the end. I feel like they put just as much time into this room as they did the rest of the game, though. It's insane to me. Why did they make this? What's the point of this room? This is insane to me. There has to be a way out. I'm looking at the jam. Wait. What was this called? This is called Cattle in the Cellar? Cattle in the Cellar. I didn't even play the... What? It's actually over. I can't believe that I got baited into... Okay, first of the art style's #1. That's fair. That's actually fair. It is actually... What? It's actually over. This is it. That is cruel and unusual. I don't think I've ever seen a game ever do this. What the hell, man? Alright, not cool. What the hell? Okay, good one, good one. They got me. I'll admit it. They got me. Bastard. Okay. I'll finally do it all F4. What happens if I reopen the game after Alt F4ing? What? This is the real secret. Right? Smiley face? Smiley face? Wait. Never mind. Lol. Okay. What a shit show. Okay, anyways. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'm gonna actually end the stream here. That was a fun last little bit. Hope you guys have a fantastic night. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back Thursday. Today's Tuesday, yes. I will be back... Wait, actually I need to check. I need to double check my schedule. I should be back Thursday. Let me double check real quick. Yes, I will be back Thursday if there's nothing else going on there. So, thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic night. Bye!